Let's see, who do I want to play as?
Who the fuck is that?
What? Oh, that's the Void guy. Void Fiend.
Is he good?
Hold on.
It's this engineer. He looks pretty good.
I don't think I played as him. Let's see. At full corruption, you get different abilities. You get a beam attack, 300%. 600% plasma bolt. And like a disappear into the void.
Nathan.
What?
Oh, you're gonna be so jealous.
What, you unlock a new thing for that guy? Oh yeah, let me check this
Yeah,
other
I
guy.
did. Instead of the rebar puncher, now I can get a rocket launcher.
Oh god.
Who's that you're playing as? Who's that guy?
That's Railgunner. Hold on, I'm checking that. I'm looking for the other guy, so I'm checking. Here it is. Oh my god. To unlock one of his abilities, you have to land a charged hit.
So I think now the artifact where items or monsters drop items is now doubled.
What?
Because I just put mine in there now.
Oh. We gotta get the doubled items thing. Hold on, look. To unlock my second thing in the charged hit, I have to land a charged hit going 300 miles per hour or more.
It's cool, let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna choose Void Guy.
He's probably not even any good.
Aw, dude, maybe we can get the artifact of swarms again too, after we get the choose things. Cause
yeah, after the choose things.
Cause it
You're
doubles
like an egg.
It doubles their items. I mean,
You're a little
it doubles.
dude.
This guy's cool. What's my shift do? Woo! Oh, I just healed. I can heal at will. Oh, I see. It got corruption meter or something.
Help me!
It's not fast. Oh! Okay, I just transformed suddenly. I'm destroying everything.
Fine.
I need some healing. Oh, this is cool. I just delete enemies with that attack.
Yeah, but they probably won't drop anything then.
No, they probably will.
Okay, these things are immune to rockets apparently.
Heh.
What? But I picked it up.
What? False. I got there before you.
You got stuck on me. You got stuck on me.
That's not what happened on my screen.
Fucking. You know what? Fine. Keep your roll of pennies.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's just a roll of pennies.
Thought it was a syringe.
I wonder if I can charge it up. Let me see. I can. I can heal like a lot of health just whenever I need.
So I've got 2 green items.
Oh, I have a roll of pennies. I can throw it at a stripper at a strip club,
millionaire.
dude. Go to a strip club, throw it at a chunker. Oh, I just transformed suddenly.
Is that random?
Oh, there's like a meter that charges up, and whenever it gets there, I can, instead of letting it charge up all the way, I can like use some of it to heal. You bitch, that would have been perfect for me.
Why?
Because I have the beam and stuff.
Should have got it faster than I guess. Yeah, the items are definitely doubled.
Awesome.
I just got armor and a red whip. I'm almost certain that the wisps don't drop items.
I can look it up later.
If they don't, get rid of it.
Alright.
Because if anything, they're just annoying.
Yeah. Yay, shield! Yay, sudden transformation.
But I need all of the items.
But when
dude.
but look at what I can do. Look at, what, you see that enemy you're attacking? Look. I erased them. It's so
that's
cool.
Because you just did a lot of damage.
Yeah. It's super cool.
Oh wait, so you finally got the void ending?
Oh yeah, I did that like before we started playing together.
Without me?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I already have 500 HP.
Huh.
What are you at?
Oh shit, 10 right now. I realize that when I'm in this mode, my healing thing turns into a damage me so I can keep this like void thing going on. So if I can get like good health, I can just keep that going. So I need more healing. Healing and defense.
Did you drop your foreign fruit?
No, I already have one.
Yummy.
Oh, so I can only increase the time by draining health twice right now.
Sucks to be you.
Poops to pee poo.
Another foreign fruit. I'll just get 2 of them. Oh, I can't get
Oh yeah,
2.
I dropped that. There's a recycler that's like 1% better.
Ooh, hello, focus crystal. Another focus crystal. Oh no, it was a watch that I got.
Oh.
What?
Hey, you were wrong, haha. You already have so many more items than me.
Yeah, because I'm the only one picking them up.
I pick mine up when I see them.
You missed like 4 of them.
No, you did.
Yes, you did.
No. If only each item dropped an item for that like it dropped one for each of us that the other can't pick up the others.
Yeah, would suck for you, huh?
No.
Well, it'd be great for you because I keep taking it.
No, I said you wouldn't be able to take it, and I wouldn't be able to take yours. It'd be fair.
That's what I'm saying. It would be great for you because I wouldn't be able to take them anymore.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Skill issue. Volcano egg!
Your favorite.
Bye! Volcano egg is really good on this dude.
Uh-huh. Fuck, I need attack speed.
Why? Do you not have any?
You have any?
Just see what I picked up.
Oh, the fucking attack speed.
Literally right as you were saying that.
Yeah, you would.
Allahu Akbar!
Oh no!
Gnarled wood sprite.
Oh.
Oh, you don't want it?
I changed it with the recycler.
Into what?
Disposable missile launcher, yep.
Wait, so I can just keep doing that?
You can only do it like once per item.
Alright, well, I got nothing to no, not that. I got nothing to lose.
And it does have a cooldown.
It won't let me do it.
It has a cooldown.
There is no cooldown on mine.
Oh.
Well.
This character is pretty epic.
You should let me have the missile launcher.
But I can do this.
It's my best friend. It's my best friend though.
I like it.
But I'm a robot. I actually need missile.
Alright, I'll let you have it if I find lightning.
Why can't I can't fucking recycle this one.
So weird. What? I like how they come at us in big groups, and I just like, they're gone.
Mocha. Give me, hey, tell you what, you give me the rocket launcher, I'll let you have your free pick of any item. And all you have to do is go pick up the fruit.
I like my rocket launcher.
Guess you don't like getting items then.
Fucker. I fucking let you pick up items. I stop before I pick them up because I'm like, oh, I'll let him have it. Then you get all cocky.
Nah. Just better. Although honestly though, whenever you find an item... Oh wait, okay, here's an item. Give me a second. I'm gonna recycle it. Let's see if I can get something good.
I could use the healing. Oh.
Thanks.
Let's see.
I could use that rocket launcher.
Uh-huh. I'm sure you could.
I wonder if it only lets you recycle equipment once.
Like each item, it's just once.
But wait, did you recycle to get fruit?
I don't think so. It might be just being weird with that one item.
Okay, well I know there's another one up here. It just won't let me do it.
Huh. How odd.
It actually just is not letting me do it.
Maybe it's gotta be, like, newly dropped item now, since you obtained it?
Oh, well, I found a better one.
What?
Will you take the crowdfunder for the missile launcher? It might actually be good with your character.
Nah, that thing kind of just sucks.
Or are you just jealous?
I'll
give you my volcano egg.
But rocket launcher better.
Yeah, but you can move around with volcano egg.
Mayhaps.
Alright, here. I'll put it over here.
I thought you were gonna say something smug like, "Dog, dude, I can't believe you totally fell for it."
I swap your fucking equipment for the fruit.
Ah! I can just endlessly heal, by the way. That's one of my abilities. That percentage meter I have that goes up, I'll just heal. You can have that coin, I guess. I have 61.
Hey, you know what you could actually really help me with?
What?
Just realized something. Come here. So, you can use the recycler. I can't.
Huh.
Use it on... Or, hold on. Pick it up. And then use it.
On?
I'm not gonna take your egg.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just recycle into another egg. Alright, now come here. Try and recycle that fruit.
Nope. Don't wanna.
It doesn't want to? Okay.
Yeah.
You thought I was gonna keep the egg, didn't you?
No. Cause you like that rocket launcher.
I could have just kept the egg. And the rocket launcher.
Oh yeah.
Yellow item.
Piss item.
Wait,
piss
it looked
item.
yellow.
You look yellow.
I guess
Ching
it's
chong.
not.
Almost at 100.
Hundred what?
100%.
100 boyfriends? Cause
No.
you're gay?
No. 100% on the corruption meter, so I can turn into corruption guy. It's epic.
Next time you see an item, don't do it. Let me recycle it.
What, equipment or any?
Any, really.
I mean, I need items, so.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You have plenty, like me.
You have plenty.
Follow me.
Hold on.
You can use your egg to easily get up here.
Whee!
Alright, come here.
I'm on my way.
Yeah, it won't let me recycle items at all.
Oh, well, the recycler's broken then.
Well, no, that one was no. It's like it gives me the option to, like it says press Q, but it doesn't do anything.
Huh.
So come here.
I'm here.
Recycle this thing. So use that and recycle this.
You got a
That's
shitty
okay.
base.
Okay. Now recycle this.
What? Oh.
The fruit.
Nope. I guess that might have been recycled. I don't know.
But this is the one that was over here.
Yeah, I don't know.
It hasn't been recycled at all.
Yeah, you're right. I don't know, it's busted. Recycler broke.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We'll be able to pick our items soon.
Yeah.
Mocha.
Matcha.
Sorry, mocha. Yeah, matcha.
Yeah.
You want to go get the teleporter, or do you want to grind a little bit more?
Let's do teleporter so we can grind more efficiently.
Where even is that?
I don't know.
I can't help but feel like we found it earlier.
Yeah.
I think it's over here.
Oh! I took a risk and recycled my egg and I got the lightning thing. I'm happy. What, is that what you wanted? What, is that what you wanted?
I was kind of hoping that something else would give you that so I could get my egg back.
Oh. I thought you wanted the rocket launcher more.
Yeah, but I can hold two, remember?
Oh yeah. I always forget that because it's such a weird mechanic.
So useful though.
Yeah, I can see why. Does each have its own individual charge?
Yeah.
Oh god dang.
So let's say I get, and I can hold two of the same thing too. So I can hold two, theoretically I can hold two rocket launchers with 6 charges.
Oh god, just destroy everything. Oh.
What?
Some guy in chat says the chat rules don't say I can't leak the FNAF movie. Should I do it? I don't know.
Yeah, someone leaked the trailer.
Oh, that's funny. Sure, go ahead, buddy. I forgot. That was apparently a while ago, and he says you're gonna regret not answering me.
Sorry, we only pay attention to cool guys.
Yeah, like each other. No, but yeah. I mean, I didn't know there was a FNAF movie coming, but sure, leak it if you want.
You didn't know that? It's only been everywhere.
Really?
Yes. Everyone's going horror, 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 horror.
That's awesome.
It's real.
That's sweet.
Come help me look for.
Look, I'm working on it.
Found it. It's right next to spawn.
Hold on, let me check something.
The next egg found is mine.
Alright, out of curiosity, I recycled a remote caffeinator and it turned into a recycler. Wait, why don't you also hold the recycler so you can just, whenever you need to, recycle?
Because it won't let me.
Oh yeah.
Every
right.
time I try to, it just doesn't do it. Like it's the character or
Well,
something.
now I have this recycler. I can recycle this other recycler. No, I can't. Okay. Okay. Oh god, I'm holding in a pee-pee wee-wee.
How are you peeing so much?
I drank a lot of juice and liquid. I guess I'm just a Giga Chad. Why are you angered by it?
You're peeing like every 5 minutes.
No.
You're not even drinking anything.
I was.
Yo, these fucking wisps are getting annoying.
Uh-huh.
Because I can't really hit them well.
I'll just turn them off next run. Oh, volcanic egg. Volcano.
Allahu Akbar!
Ah! And everything. Hold on, I got
Alright,
pee.
pee.
Pee from my wee wee.
Actually, now that I think about it, when you get back, I gotta pee.
When I get back, you can go ahead and go. No enemies will spawn.
Yeah, they do though.
No, not after teleporter.
They do. I've seen them do it. It's usually, well, maybe it might be ones that we've missed.
Yeah, it
They've
is.
just been real. Oh, nothing can kill us with our healing anyway.
Yeah.
Quit doing gay shit, dude.
That's you.
Let the record show that Nathan's a big fag.
No, I'm not.
Yep.
And also I win. Can you guess what I win at?
Nothing.
Wrong. Again, as per usual.
You win at losing.
I am a winner. And you are a wiener. I am
I'm the
super
wiener
epic.
king. I got a huge cock.
Yeah, you're a king of wieners because you like wieners in your butt.
No, it's no, it's because I have the biggest wiener.
No.
It's like 10 feet long.
Oh, so my percentage thing, it goes up by moving. Okay, so the more I move, the more it goes up. And I think, like, the more I get damaged and the more I damage enemies.
You wish you were as cool as me.
I'm superly epic.
You know what I'm fucking craving right now?
What? Crawfish?
No. Fucking Chicken Express sweet tea.
Oh, yeah.
That sounds really good right now.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, can you hold the fort? I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some.
I like how the syringes are just in my head.
Are they?
Yeah, when we spawn in, look at my character.
I saw it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Protect me for a minute.
Yes.